Here we are, we're at the field, and it's a Thursday, and spring's been a bit late coming here. We had a good winter, but the spring's cracked out a bit, so let's see what these boys are doing over here. Hello girls, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, it's windy, so I think Barry's going to fly between the hangars, so it's not so windy here. Is that what's going on?
Yeah.
And this is Barry's new Spitfire.
I got the Spitfire. You got Spitfire.
Where you can see a G, Bruce?
Anywhere.
Out here?
Yeah, should
We're
be about
along the spar usually.
Yeah. Okay.
So here we go, they're balancing it because we've got to find out where to put the battery. Is it tail heavy? Oh, that's, yeah. So we want to put the battery there, do we? Beauty, mate. Remember, it hasn't got any fuel in the tank either at this stage.
No.
So yeah, those Thunder Tigers are quite heavy.
on the spar. I'm right on the spar.
Thunder Tigers are a pretty heavy motor.
Right on the spar.
So you're going to have lead in the tail.
Probably have to have a bit of lead in the tail.
Okay. So put your battery just back as far as you can.
Yeah, that's why I've got mine there.
And then it'll need a bit of lead on the tail as well.
The other thing to do is move the elevator and rudder
See how
servos.
much it is there.
See where it is. You could probably go. They will go forward a bit, but no, it looks pretty nose heavy, isn't it?
It's pretty nose heavy there.
Yeah.
Quite nose heavy. See, if you put that there, you're going to, even the weight of that.
Ron's going to put a stone on it, eh, Ron? Oh no, screwdriver. Tape that screwdriver to the tail, should be sweet.
That to the tail.
Beautiful, mate.
Okay, either that or we
Right?
cut half the motor out.
Yeah, lighten her up a bit, cut the fins off, eh?
Yeah, we'll put half the cylinder in.
Yeah. Use a balsa wood prop, Barry.
Yeah, I'll back up, take your wing off, Barry. Okay. And then undo your wing.
Take your wing off, Barry. Pay attention. That's a bullet hole where Barry was in a bit of a gang fight with some of his mates. See, that's a bullet hole in his chest. Fortunately, the bullet went right through, didn't cause any harm. Here it is, that's Barry's bullet hole. Look at that. Barry, tell us about the bullet hole in your jersey.
About
The bullet hole in your jersey. How'd you get that, mate?
That's where Bruce shot me.
Yeah. It's all true, folks.
Why don't you tell them about the blisters you got on your finger?
Yeah. If you want to use hot glue, using hot glue for hinges, don't use your finger, because you get these blisters. So don't spread the hot glue with your finger because it really, really hurts if you use too much.
Yeah. See what you can.
So Ron, some people have complained that the 9X radio doesn't have enough mixing. You've come up with a creative solution, I understand.
Yep.
Should we have a look at it?
Okay, it's
Here's a 9X radio,
right.
And here's Ron's creative mixing. Because on the AXN you want to couple your ailerons and your rudder sometimes, don't you, Ron?
Yeah, that's right.
So let's have a look how you've done that.
Well, it's very simple. What you need is one of these special made Hobby King canopy retainers.
Yes, well, I've seen those on the AXNs.
It sits nicely in here.
Look at
that. And look.
Oh, that's rudder coupling with your aileron, and aileron coupling with your rudder. That's very creative, Ron. I'm most impressed. Now you'll be selling these, I understand?
Yep.
Yeah, and a number mode 1 versions and mode 2 versions?
Yes.
So the mode 1 has the hole on the other side, is that right?
Yeah.
Excellent.
And they're $8, and you get a free $10 JR bind plug.
Way to go. Well,
yeah.
Thank you, Ron. That's another handy tip from Ron. Well, here we are. There's another new AXN in the club. Brent's already had a couple of AXN. This is his third one, I think. It might be his second, I'm not sure. But time for a test flight. There's a bit of wind today, I might add. Surprising amount of wind today, to be totally honest. They do climb quite quickly, don't they? Stop whinging. It's just a big sissy, is our Brent. We'll see if there's a wet patch on this pants.
That was just my wet dream about you, Bruce.
Join the queue. I charge, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you get a free flight or what?
Intellectual property rights.
bad elements actually.
The brand new AXN, first flight. Could always be its last one too, I suppose.
Needs a bit of down actually.
With this.
Yeah, it's good.
But I hear these Turnigy radios are crap.
Yeah, well they are, yeah, they don't have enough throw, eh?
But on the New Zealand, what is it, Fly New Zealand, what is it, Model Fly New Zealand mailing list, all the people who've never used them said they're crap.
Well, this is dead right, and we've got so many of them here, but they must be right.
Well, we've never had any trouble, have we?
No.
But if you don't,
I've got 3 of them.
if you don't use them, then they're just crap. But if you do use them,
right.
they seem to be remarkably good value.
Who's flying that hawk?
I don't know. I had a look at that actually.
Close to the hangars.
Yeah.
Look where he's going to land for you, right?
Yeah, there's Debbie out here somewhere flying that hawk.
I'll keep it steady, Brent.
Yeah, sorry, I got the shot.
Yeah.
It's cold, yeah.
Kick the arse around a fair bit, eh?
It takes me over the place, yeah.
Well, we're trying the front.
Cool. Hold on, I just switched to the high shutter speed so I get the bits in mid-air.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, the wind's died, you can overshoot.
Am I in a safe place? Look at that,
How many?
eh?
1.
3 out of 10.
3. That was one of Brent's luckiest landings.
One of my luckier ones.
Yeah.
Still in one bit.
So here we go, Brent's flying, and it's really bumpy. Bumpy, great for AXNs. He's had a few flights now, so he's getting a bit brave, you see. Let's see if we can hold the camera still enough in the wind. It is quite turbulent. Can't even keep the damn thing in shot because the wind blows the camera around. His battery's toast, he reckons. Used up all his battery in the wind. So that means he'll have to land. Not today. You have to put some power on to get it back up, man.
Yeah.
Good, it means a long, low approach, Ron. More exciting. I'd keep it up a bit higher.
A bit more this way, Brent. A bit more up.
I was looking for you, hit the hanger.
Yeah, I thought you were going that place. You've got a bit of a crosswind.
Beautiful, mate.
She's a bit of a crosswind too, coming in.
He loves it.
Lumpy in places. And
What?
on the bench.
Your undies, I'd say.
Beautiful.
Happy man.
Beautiful minute here.
So here's the South Waikato AXN Flying Club. Got Ron and Brent, and they're hooning around. Whee! The AXNs, oh, in the summer sky. Well, it's spring really, but it's quite windy today. Quite windy, and we're enjoying the turbulent conditions. And the extra speed you get in the downwind legs too.
You've got to see where I am now. You get up there and you can't fucking see, eh?
Wind's blowing me around. I can't even hold the camera still. It's that windy. Downwind. Get the speed on the downwind. Oh, Ron's down. He's way back there. Couldn't fly to save
I
himself.
was getting it down while I could.
You girl, Ron. Don't get your petticoat caught in the grass when you go to get it. Take him out, Brent. She is blustery, man. Got a plane coming to the circuit, so these boys are going to have to land soon. Well, Ron's down. Brent will have to bring it back to terra firma. It's called Kill the Cameraman, is it?
I reckon we drill a hole on the CG at the bottom of the fuselage, and we tie the fishing rod into it, and we can kite these.
Probably could, Ron.
Radio control kites. They like to know. She's too scared to land.
Whoa. It's actually harder filming than flying today. Actually, I'm actually getting physically blown around by the wind. Is that plane coming in, Ron? Sounds like he's off to the west over there.
He's coming over here now.
Okay. Let Brent know.
Going overhead now, Brent. Is it rough near the ground, eh? I thought I was going to blow over, can't really then.
What about your plane, Ron? It's windy today and rough. Oh.
Close enough.
It's a bit lumpy up there, but it's worse near the ground. And of course we're landing in a brilliant place right in between.
Oh yeah, right in amongst all this.
Yeah, it'd be a bit smoother out for the runway.
I think it's Bruce's bum that's doing it to us.
Yeah.
Say no to crack.
Yeah. All the hot air coming out of the
Yeah, it's all the wind.